Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.54. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 44.63% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 39 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.14% per day, since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $27.05 is breached, it may signal a deceleration in growth and serve as an early indicator of a possible trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend projects a potential change of approximately 92.67% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 88.76% to 122.83%. In a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 41.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 95.40% and negative 41.58% over the coming year. In terms of future pricing, this would translate to a range between $1.27 and $16.13. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The SOXL ETF price gained 2.15% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, rising from $27.03 to $27.61. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a slight pause in the days ahead. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 4.46%, moving from a day low of $26.93 to a day high of $28.13. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.15% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 95 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.61 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $44.76, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 38.32%, or $17.15, below the 52-week high, and 92.70%, or $350.63, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. SOXL, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, is gaining traction following recent bullish developments in the semiconductor sector. The passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill is likely to spur additional investments into chip stocks, enhancing the short-term outlook for SOXL. This catalyst could drive further demand for leveraged semiconductor exchange-traded funds as traders seek to capitalize on momentum. Recent reports indicate that Standard & Poor's 500 technology stocks are experiencing a resurgence, although the rally is uneven. This divergence highlights the critical need for investors to evaluate specific sectors like semiconductors, which are poised for growth, particularly with the increased demand for artificial intelligence technology. The anticipated wave of growth driven by artificial intelligence is likely to benefit semiconductor companies significantly, positioning SOXL as a high upside, albeit risk-prone investment. Options market dynamics show a bullish setup for SOXL. with buy signals accumulating around a target price of $25, indicating potential for quick gains in the near term. The heightened investor interest is reflected in the exchange-traded fund's performance, showcasing its volatility and inviting speculators who thrive on market shifts. In the long term, while SOXL presents compelling short-term opportunities, investors should be mindful of its suitability for prolonged holding, given its inherent risks from leverage and market corrections. The current momentum, however, suggests optimistic outlooks in both short and near-future trading scenarios, making SOXL a focal point for opportunistic traders in the semiconductor landscape. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $26.41 and $24.99. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, May 23, 2025, and since then, it has increased by 75.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 46 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 154 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 58 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 57 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $27.29. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $1.20 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.46%. For the past week, the fund has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.95%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $27.29. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.65, reflecting a decrease of 3.46%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 45 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of July, we expect SOXL to open lower by approximately 5 cents and start trading at $27.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.